can identify objects up to 5 centimeter. This is the headline. What does it mean? Well, SpaceX has launched two Indian startups research-based products. What are those startups? Pixel, 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 and Dingtara. They have designed satellites, and SpaceX, which is an agency, has successfully launched their satellites. Dear friends, dear students, dear learner, keen learner, Pixel has and Dingtara Aerospace. It's a commercial satellite, but the space camera for object tracking is very advanced camera. It can identify anything from space up to 5 centimeter. So these two Indian satellites is really amazing for agriculture, for land observatories, and of course for defense. We can check the movements of the enemy with extreme minute observation. So this is one of the best news for science and technology related I've shared with you. SpaceX has also launched moon lander Blue Ghost and Resilience. Resilience is Japanese satellite and Blue Lander is American and it's by NASA. Well, Blue Lander will try to explore on the surface of moon the water resources, whereas Resilience will try to find how we can do farming on the land of moon. So this is a good news for moon traveler. In the coming time you will find a restaurant there, dhaba there, and you may be getting a food. It's good news. So I shared with you. Hope you like it. Share it with friends. For latest update, stay tuned. How? By subscribing and pressing the bell icon. Thank you. Bye-bye.